In cartoons, sea lions and penguins may be best friends, but in the wild, they are not. As dubbed the super diver, can the penguins run away from the mighty attacks of the sea lions? As today's video, let us admire the attacks of sea lions with penguins. The sea lion attacks the penguins. Have you ever wondered where the name sea lion comes from? As they are called sea lions because they have manes and roar like animals of the same name and land. As they growl, scream and bark to mark their territory and signal danger. As the food that sea lions usually eat are meat, and they eat sardines, mussels, lampreys, mackerel, squid, crabs, octopuses, and anchovies, among others. As one of the fearsome predators in the water, in stark contrast to their large and fat bodies when on the shore. When hungry, it can tear an entire juvenile shark for food, and the sea lions hunt together by herding the fish in a tight circle, and then they start separating each fish around the edge. As some types of sea lions can hunt in a large group with dolphins and seabirds. As sea lions are very skillful and skilled when hunting, and the speed is also extremely fast, and that is why penguins, known as flying under the water birds that can't escape the sharp teeth of sea lions. As seeing the penguins, the lion quickly approached and began to chase his target, as they usually target the young penguins that can't swim fast enough to knock them down with their sharp teeth. Unfortunately, a penguin in the middle of an opening has become a prey for the sea lions, painfully, as it was eaten by predators and dumped in the ocean. Sea lions can dive up to 300 meters deep, as they have a special psychological structure that allows them to retain oxygen while diving. As they are also notable swimmers, and they can move at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour underwater, and they swim using long and powerful flippers to generate power, and use the rear flipper to control. And according to research, penguins can swim and dive in the water at speeds from 6 to 12 kilometers per hour, although there are some reports that speed of up to 27 kilometers per hour is possible when they are startled or attacked. For penguins, in order to get proper fitness needed to reach the maximum swimming speed, the penguins bow their heads to their shoulders and tuck their feet into their tails, and their wings act as flippers to propel them through the water, as their dense skeleton keeps them from floating too much in the water. As for the smaller penguins, they will not dive deep and only hunt near the surface of the water and only dive for about 1 to 2 minutes, as this is an opportunity for the sea lions to attack. Is one of the creatures living in the vast ocean and is known as the most intelligent animal here, as they are endowed with a very large striking eyes, and at night they can emit light to facilitate their hunting. And they also have very sensitive noses and very sensitive ears, so sea lions have caused countless prey to fit under their sharp teeth, and the most unfortunate ones on land are penguins, as the favorite prey of sea lions So will the penguins be able to escape this predator's attack this time? Seeing the penguins moving up the shore, the sea lions immediately climbed ashore in pursuit. Realizing the danger, the penguins quickly ran away as they separate and move in different directions. Have you ever wondered, how do penguins move? As the penguins move by swinging their legs from side to side, and on land by using their climbing legs, tail, and bubble mechanism to swim in the water. As the speed of the penguin walking will depend on the species of penguin, as well as their size. Penguins often move slowly because they like to gather in larger flocks to keep warm, as several thousand penguins will gather together to create a warmth. As the penguins standing side by side touch each other at the back, front, and sides, except for those on the outer edge of the group. And to hunt prey in such a large and united penguin colony, the sea lions often take advantage of attacking and isolating the younger penguins. Certainly the movement speed and physical strength of the young penguins cannot surpass the speed of the predator. As you see, the poor penguin was knocked down and tucked under the sea lion's sharp teeth. And what the predator needs to do now is to take the prey back to the ocean to enjoy. Sea lions are categorized by their long front flippers, as the outer ear flaps, larger chest and abdomen, short and thick fur, and the ability to operate on all fours, as its speed on land can reach 56 km per hour. Unlike fish, the sea lions can spend time on land and in water, as they can jump out of the water and stay on the rocky shores or the sandy beaches for hours, or even days without discomfort or overheating. And every time there is an appearance of this predator, the penguins riot and race against death. Penguins have good hearing, as their eyes have adapted to seeing underwater, and they are primarily means of locating prey and evading predators. As this is why penguins have extremely quick reflexes when they see danger approaching. This time the predator was unable to find himself a delicious meal, as the great reflexes of the penguin have helped them to escape the near death. And although they can't fly like other birds, penguins can waddle on two legs or slide on their bellies along the snow, a motion called skating, which allows them to conserve energy, while still being at the most relatively quickly. The sea lions also have great difficulty chasing and attacking the adult penguins, most of which can only easily hunt the young penguins. As this time, a young penguin remains the target of the predator. In your opinion, will the sea lion spare this young prey? In the wild and in the vast ocean, there are still countless battles for survival of all animals, as they all fight and do their best to have a chance to live. However, the survival battle of sea lions and penguins have never been so funny, as the chase this time of sea lions and the panicked penguins look like a scene from a cartoon. And the reason the birds panicked was the appearance of a large sea lion, as the bad guy are 3 fat king penguins, and it seemed that the penguin would have to die. But suddenly the sea lion had turned and had changed direction, rushing back to the ocean for unknown reasons. You see, penguins have a method to move that instead of running on their feet, they lie on their stomachs and try to swim on the sand or the snow. Unfortunately, because of their oversized belly, most of the penguins' feet do not touch the ground, only the wings to try and push their clumsy bodies away from the predator. But even so, if the penguins are chased by predators, it is difficult to escape. Images of these adorable penguins close today's video. How do you see the hunting of sea lions? Please leave your comments and thoughts down below in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching this video, as there's a lot of interesting information and many mysteries waiting for you to discover ahead. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button, like and share this video to support us. Goodbye, and see you again soon.